Hey guys, how is it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a ton of money, guys, a ton of money on the Cash App and how you can do it too. This method is so easy, guys. You really want to take advantage of it. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I did and how you guys can do it too and potentially earn thousands of dollars on the Cash App. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
Okay guys, so basically there's a way to go ahead and earn $25 for every YouTube video that you watch. And that is what I did. I got it sent to my Cash App. I'm going to show you guys exactly how it works. So as you guys can see, let me open up my Cash App, and 970 is my balance. So if you go in here to my payments, as you can see, I've been paid out by Tap TV numerous times. This is what I'm telling you about. So Tap TV allows you to get $25 for every YouTube video you watch on their app. So here's the app. You can see it says developed with YouTube. It shows you all the videos here, and it is literally so easy, guys. And then if we go over here, you can see if I go to payouts, I've been paid out so many times by them. So I really think that you guys should take advantage of this. It is so easy. I'm also going to show you, if you do want to connect your Cash App to them, you just press request Cash App, and then it says you can receive Cash App payments in any account. So you just enter your cash tag and they will send you the money. So it's super easy, guys. Like, this is ridiculous. Like, you're literally earning $25 for watching videos. So you could be at school, you could just start playing it out. You can go ahead and do this on the go. You can literally like leave your phone running if you have a spare device at home while you're at work. And I mean, as you guys can see, the payments speak for themselves. So if you would like to download this onto your device, just head over to their website. It is taptv.io. And you can see it says watch YouTube videos and earn money. Earn up to $25 for every video you watch from our advertisers list. So you just press download app and it will download. And as you can see, it says how it works. Advertisers pay for engagements. You do online activities and you earn Cash App or PayPal money. So this is ridiculous, guys. I just can't even believe it actually works. And I was having so much good fortune with this that I had to get out there and share with you guys so everybody can take advantage of this in the hard COVID times. I know we all want money. We all want to work from home, but the apps out there that are like bingo apps and they say they'll pay you for playing or whatever, they don't really work. So this is the only thing that I've found that's actually legit. So definitely go ahead and give it a try. I mean, the other things out there might work, but this is going to pay you the most money, and it's also the most easy because you're literally just watching videos. So yeah, guys, if this tutorial worked for you, be sure to leave a like on the video, and if you have any questions, you can drop them down below in the comments. I'll be able to get back to you and help you fix any issues, but this app is so easy to use, you shouldn't really have any problems. You can also tell me about your journeys down there, how much money you've made. So yeah, guys, this is super crazy. Definitely give it a try. Remember to download it. Just go to their website, taptv.io. And I mean, look at my Cash App right here.